So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Neelu Manish and thank you very much for giving me so much love and support and subscribe my YouTube channel. So now in this lesson I create specifically that how we create to texture on our horse, and that was a very popular painting. Lots of people like this one and lots of people asking me about that how I create that texture with realistic painting. And I always paint a realistic and abstract. Both are my favorite subjects. In abstract I paint a lot of vibrant colors, yeah, like my yellow and everything. And my realistic I also like paint realistic, but not that which I paint like abstract, but just mix of that all the things. So in this lesson I create specifically, it's a 15 to 20-minute video, and I'm going to show you that how I create a texture with my wet on wet, my dry on wet. And I use a one more technique, which is that how I'm taking directly colors from my watercolor tubes. And that was a very fun technique, because when I was a beginner and I heard about that, and I saw the people saying, I heard about the people saying it, that don't use a color direct from the tubes. But I thought, what's that? It's my painting, I have to use it, and I'm using it. And I just and it's giving me a lot of good result about that. So I'm going to show you how I use it. And if you wanted to know more about or buy this full tutorial, you can email me neelumanishbhatia@gmail.com. This is on my comment section, my email, and it's a very budget friendly video. This is my live workshop demo, and I create my followers or my, I don't know what to say. So artists miss this lesson live workshop, you can buy this voice over HD high resolution videos, and you can just email me, that's it. And I will email you all the details about that. Also, one more news I wanted to, actually two more news I wanted to share with you. One, I'm starting a teaching with my live classes, live online workshop classes with Binders at Atlanta. You can check out that Binders Art Supplies frames and the link is on my comment section. Every month I'm going to teach 3-day watercolor workshop. We are going to learn so many different techniques, so many different kind of paintings. You can subscribe that. And secondly, the fun thing is that I started my Skillshare online school. So please subscribe me on, follow me on, watch me. There are so many lessons I'm going to create for beginner to advanced artists. And that was a fun which is coming on my next month. I will show you the link about that. You can find out the intro section. And that was a very budget friendly online school. Just go the skillshare.com, this link on my comment section. Also, if you want to know more about my workshops, my watercolor wonderland, my painting, what I'm creating, my step-by-step progresses, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So this link on the comment section. And last but not least, before we are going to jump on our demo, before that, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please give a like, okay? And I will be appreciate if you're going to share this video to your friend or whoever wanted to learn more about this thing. Okay guys, so bye and watch the demo. Bye. So guys, let's start. So what I'm doing here, I'm using my colors direct from my tubes. So I'm using my burnt sienna and my silver velvet brush number 6. So I wet the whole paper here with my spray bottle, and I'm looking at my reference picture. You can see my iPad on the upside, and I'm working with a wet on dry techniques. Okay, so my brush is just little damp and I'm just grabbing color from my watercolor tubes. So this is burnt sienna color. So you can see that. So this is the progress, this is the technique which I use to develop my texture sometimes. And when I discover this technique, I love that, I'm being in love with that. So it's very good technique to develop the texture. So you can see I wet my glazed my paper on that side of top. Okay, that. And I'm using a smaller brush to soften that edges also. So just I'm working it, and I'm going to use my Aussie red gold color, and same with direct from tube. My brush is damp, my paper is wet, and I'm working on it. And if I feel the hard edges coming out, I'm going to soften edges with my clean water and damp brush. So on the upside, I'm doing the same work thing which I wanted to do that. And this is a very good technique to use it. And now I'm going to use this technique with brush. Just I'm dragging the color from this side, and I am going to save these the lights. The belt is coming out from the horse. So what I'm doing, I'm using my pointy brush, and I'm batting this one with my spray bottle. Okay, and I'm going to dab this, so you can see the texture. So this is the technique I'm going to work on like 1 or 2 times, so I have to develop that one very nicely and carefully. So remember, it's need to understand that how many layers you have to need. Sometimes it's coming out on the one time, one at one time if you do the layer, and sometimes you can do that 4 or 3 times. So now I'm using my burnt sienna, and I like a different kind of burnt sienna. I have every brand, I think, burnt sienna, and this is my favorite color, the violet, burnt sienna, and my red Persian blue. It was my favorite color. So you can see that I'm just working on that one very carefully, and I'm just looking at my reference picture. I'm working on the dark section here. So now I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to work with my wet on dry technique. Means like I'm going to work with my color palette. I'm going to take palette. So now this one, so what I'm going to do, I'm using my dry on wet brush. So my paper is dry. I just sprinkle some color with my spray bottle previous, and I'm going to look, you can see the reference picture with my iPad. Generally I don't like to use work with my iPad, but this is just I wanted to see little more things, so that's why. Now this was my sepia mix, and you can see that I'm making values here. I'm making a shapes and values. You can see that. That's how I work with on my horse, and I make a texture on that one. So now I'm going to use the tube color. So I'm just looking at picture, and I'm working with my creativity, or you can set it different cool techniques. That's it. And it's always good to use these techniques on your subject or your painting, to try before you are using on to embarking on your painting. Remember it, that was a very good valuable exercise. If you do that, use a different kind of techniques, try them, see them, how they give you a best result, which one give you a best result, which timing, and you can use a one technique for different timing or different color quantity. You can do that lot of things with same techniques, like on this one you can do that dark color pigment, or you can do the wet on wet, you can wet so much and wet your paper. So it's depend how you're going to use your techniques which you learning with your on your watercolor painting. So I'm using my dark color, and that was my dark black mix color. If you wanted to know about that how I mix the black color, you can follow me on my next video. On you can have to follow first on my this video, this YouTube channel, and I'm going to soon upload this one, that how I mix my black colors. So what we are going to work, I'm going to use my small brush, and I'm creating this lines here, and I'm working with this, and I'm making a texture. So I leave that that area, and I didn't soften that one for a little while, and I'm going to soften the later. So this will also give you a texture. So now I'm softening the edges with my damp brush and I'm using my color. And now I'm applying a color and blending both of color. So you can see his the textures coming out. The horse textures is coming out. You can see that, right? So this is, I'm working on it continuously. So I'm going to soften it. I'm going to working on that one from tubes using my paper napkin, and I'm going to clearly working this one. And that was a fun live workshop, and participant did enjoy a lot of that one, and I also enjoy that one. So I'm using my colors, and you can see I'm continue working with from my tubes. I'm taking with this, so you can see that simply coming out. So this is that which I want, and I'm just dragging the colors, softening the edges. And you can see my colors also, which colors I'm using, right? So I waited for there, and now I'm making another color texture. I'm dragging some color from my color palette. So it's just a timing, it's just which technique to where you have to use and when you have to use. That's the most important thing. So you have to learn with your practice, because practice is a confident key of watercolor painting or anything. So I'm using my darker color and I'm softening this one. I'm dragging this painting here, so it's done now. Okay, now I'm going to show you on the same lesson, I'm going to show you that how I create some texture on his mouth also. So first I'm going to work on this one. Okay, so I'm using my color, the yellow mix color, and I'm softening this one, and I'm working on that one. Okay, so I'm working at it and I'm completely going to be understanding that. So this is my color mix, I used it. It's looking beautiful, and I'm using my dark color and making it. Right, and I'm looking at my reference picture and I'm going to work on that around here. So guys, this is what we are going to use with develop this technique and this try on wet technique on. I use almost same technique with my all over the painting, and I developed this horse like that. And if you wanted to know more about, and if you wanted to purchase this lesson, you can email me. This was on my comment section, and thank you for watching that one. I'm going to upload more videos, and I'm going to upload next video is how to make a black color. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and share this video with your friends, and I will be appreciated with that. And also that's it. Bye.